So you might be in this crazy situation where for some reason your iPhone display is stuck on this yellow screen. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. The number one thing I would recommend doing here, though, for the most part, is trying to just soft restart your particular phone. So what I would recommend doing here is clicking a combination of the volume up button, the volume down button, then holding the side button right here until your iPhone completely restarts. Now when you do that, you might not see what I see, you might not see the volume button, and you might not see the slide to power off button come up. But what you may see is your iPhone completely restarting. So what you'll end up seeing is that your iPhone will pretty much completely restart, the screen will shut off, and then what will happen is maybe you'll see the Apple logo come up. If you see the Apple logo come up, that's probably a good sign that your iPhone's display isn't messed up. However, if immediately right after you do see a yellow display, that might mean you have to go and take your iPhone into the Apple Store because there might be a hardware problem that you might actually have to get fixed. Now, another thing you may have to do here too, which I'd probably recommend doing here, is if you're able to come back into your home screen and for some reason it's still giving you some glitches or whatever the case is, one of the other things I'd recommend doing here is to actually go through and pretty much see if you can update your iPhone. Sometimes updates can give you some weird issues here and there, but they can also fix some things too. So what I would recommend doing here is clicking on the settings application right here, scrolling down until you see general, which is right here, clicking on software update, and seeing if you can update your iPhone. If you're able to update it, then you're good. If you're not able to update it, or if there's still like a yellow screen that's coming up, the other thing you may want to try doing, like I mentioned before, is going inside of the Apple Store and pretty much just seeing if you can go through and, get the screen fixed or have them kind of look at it. You can also try plugging in your iPhone to a computer of some sort and seeing if you can update your iPhone that way. Sometimes you can get in DFU mode or recovery mode and try updating your iPhone that way. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.